Hi guys, so in this video, we're going to cover how to post your ad campaign using the Meta Ads Manager. So whether you're running ads on Instagram or on Facebook, this video will cover how you can post that ad, how you can delete it, how you can resume your ad, and also how you could edit your ad campaign. But it focuses more on how to post your ads, just in case you want to launch a new one or you don't like how that particular one is performing. All right. Or maybe you just want to have a break after having so many inquiries. So let's jump right straight into this video. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. So we launched Meta Ads Manager mobile app. All right. So this is an active campaign. So if you want to post this, you click on these three dots. All right. Then you toggle this button, this blue button you're seeing here along the active line. Then you can turn it off. Another way you could do it, you could also click on it. Then the button at the top right, you just click on it, the blue button. So once you click, you've now turned it off. So those are the two ways to turn it off. Okay, you can even delete a campaign if you want. So let's say you want to delete this PV class. So you click on the three lines and then you click on delete. So this is how you can delete. And also, just in case maybe this is not the ad account you're looking for, you click on your ad account name at the top or the settings icon at the top left. So once you click on that, you can search. So let's say you can search for the ad account that you use to run your ads, or you scroll down and find it. So select this one. So let's say I want to delete this one. So I could also click, then click on the three lines at the top right. Then you see delete. So I could delete this one also. So this is how to delete also. So we are just covering everything. You can also edit. So let's go back to the official guide. I'm also going to show you how to turn it on. So official guide. Then to open it up, after you select it, click on the X at the top left. Now, if you want to resume these ads, it's either you click on the three lines, the three dots beside that particular one, then you turn on. You click on this button, or you can close it. When you select the ad, you click on the button at the top right to turn it on. So this is how you can turn this particular advert on. Okay, you can also turn this one on. Click on here, then you turn it on again. Then you click on X. Then if you want to edit this campaign, you click on the campaign, you scroll. For those of you that want to edit, but we'll recommend that you just launch a new one. So you click here. So this is where you could make basic edits. So you can see the edit button. If you want to edit your target audience or your budget, whatever you want to edit. So you just click on the edit button and you're good to go. So let's assume I click on the edit button. So you see, I can increase this budget to 4,000 per day or 10,000 per day. Then click on publish. So you can see it's updated. So whatever you want to edit, whether it's target audience, feel free to edit it here. Alright, so that's all for this video. Do well to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you guys in the next video. Bye.